All right, you guys, so it is time to put down some trim. Well, put up some trim, put down some trim, whatever. All right, so we have our air compressor. And turn it on. We are going to go ahead and staple the trim back up. One thing I did forget to get is the nail gun. Gotta run back downstairs. Yay for me. All right, so as y'all can see, we got 3 nail guns to choose from. All right, I think one of them is broke. I don't know which one. This one don't have no ammo in it. Let's see. All right, this one has ammo in it, so I'm assuming this is the one that works. I may have to re-change this trim. I let my youngest son paint, and let's just say that it didn't turn out right. So I'll get trim later on in the future. All right, you guys, so we are going to get into the fun part. Try to look for some wood. If you can't find no wood, then you can try to go a little bit lower and hit that 2x4. All right. So what you want to do is make sure we flush as possible to the wall and press in and shoot. Another one on this side. I'm gonna try to hit the middle, but I'm gonna hit down in an angle to hit that wood. I'll put one on the top here. All right, you guys, so this should be our bottom right here. As you can see, the design of the lip, this is supposed to go on the bottom. So we are going to flip this around. And once again, this is PVC trim. Got this from Lowe's. Fairly good price. It's not that expensive, depending on what is expensive for you. Now this is going to the wall, and we need a 58-inch cut. So what we need is a 45 cut going inwards, because this is going to our right corner. All right, you guys, let me vacuum some of this hair out of here. All right, now good to go with putting caulking down. Now we have this, goes on this side. So we're gonna put our trim up to see how everything meshes. And then we place this. All right, so this one is a little, oh no, it's not. There we go. All right, so this one is good enough. Caulking could cover that little spot. I'm not worried about that. You got people that do this. Oh, sorry. You got people that do this for 8 hours a day for 5 days a week, maybe 6 days a week, some 7 days a week. They may have better methods and ways. I do this once in a while. All right. So we are gonna go with the flow. I actually like the trim on here. It looks so good. All right, so now I just have to finish caulking up my main trim, and that will be it. I don't think I need to record that for y'all. All right, you guys, so everything went well. It's a couple of months later, and I have to say that everything installed pretty good. The only thing with the trim is, you see the paint? So I let my youngest paint, you guys, and yeah, so that's the end of that story. So I will be getting trim in the later future. If not, I'll try to, maybe I could sand it down and then try to put another coat of white on there, but I think it's over. I think it's over with this trim. So this is the original trim. So when I work on another project, I will get some extra floor trim, and then I will finish it off there. But other than that, everything else is good. By the tub, sealed, everything is sealed, and behind the toilet. Yeah, so everything went well, and that's it. I'll catch y'all in the next video, DIY product review or whatnot. So yeah, see y'all.